6.2, 6.0 and 5.3, you know. Yeah, so I fixed this lift. I bought this new one, but it's China, you know. Anyways, but I just like, okay, let me fix it. Then I fixed it and the noise increased, you know. So this is it, the one I buy. This is the new one I buy. You see, as you can see, you can hear the sound. It springs so easily. And this is the old one I removed from there. If you spring it, you can't even spring it with your hand because it's so hard, you know. So I'll advise you guys, if you want to go, you go for the original one than the China one.